second thing I do early in the morning is I want to release free hydrogen from my water, which I have stored in this glass jug. I'll give the full process of how I prepare water in a separate video. This is the final step where I release the free hydrogen for actual use. With the Young Living hydrogized bottle, it charges an electric plate down below made of special materials that releases free hydrogen from the water. Well, what does that do? It actually acts like an antioxidant, which protects the cells and then breaks back down into water. If I kind of swirl it, it keeps the hydrogen bubbles suspended, I think, longer. So I get a greater density of hydrogen. If I push the button 3 times, I get 3 minutes on the internal timer for the device. So as that's going, I prepare the other supplements that I would take on an empty stomach before I eat anything. One of those that I think is absolutely essential is Happy Body Organic Sulfur, or MSM. MSM, from what I understand, helps with the joints, helps with collagen production. So this is something that would be synergistic with the use of light therapy, which I will demonstrate. From the time I first started taking that, my legs felt like they were transparent, which is like a feeling of lightness, which I think really helps when I'm exercising, specifically running, because the lighter you feel, the better you feel, the more power you got. This is another product I do, Nepronol AFD. I just do this like once a year. This is related to fibrin, which they say builds up in the blood over time and causes dysfunction and inflammation. So according to the bottle, Nepronol supports normal inflammatory response, normal immune function, normal blood viscosity, and healthy circulation. Enzymes are specifically quite important. This has, let's see, serrapeptase, nanokinase, lipase. For breaking down food, for the action that enzymes provide for our body, I find it to be well worth it. BioSil, collagen production. We want that synergy going. Collagen builds the skin, works on the joints. 5 drops in the morning, I do 5 drops later. So I'm mixing that with a collagen enhancing organic sulfur, which is just white, colorless. And then I found this is for guys. They recommend doing more than this. What do they say? 3 capsules a day would be a normal serving. I found just 1 a day actually makes a difference. I've never even done more than that. It's called Testro X for building testosterone, which helps build strength, power, and also sex drive, of course. So I got those 2 pills here. I got my hydrogen water, which again acts as an antioxidant. I just swirl it around because that stuff's not going to dissolve that fast. So I swirl it around, get it suspended, and just drink it quick. Some people aren't going to like the taste of a lot of the things I do. I could care less what it tastes like, as long as it works. Tastes a little bit like hydrogen peroxide. If you're not used to it, you can tell that is hydrogen that's being released from the water. And I do put just a pinch of sea salt in the water after I distill it and then rebuild it with the microclustering operation, and then remolecularize it with the accelerant drops. But I always store it in glass so that it's not going to be absorbing any plasticizers. So when my water's prepared, this is the way to do it. Always best to have the cleanest sealed bottle that you can get so that it doesn't absorb toxins out of the air. Because essentially a distilled water, even though I added a few minerals back in, can even absorb toxins out of the air. So we want to protect it from that as well. The better we can protect our body from stress, the stronger and faster, more effective we'll be with everything in life. So, these are the things that build up for a day of more fun and adventure.